everybody, what's going on? I'm Allison, and for today's video, we're doing a quick core routine. But before we begin, make sure to tap that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with the latest fitness videos. All you need for this workout is one light or moderate dumbbell and a mat. There will be minimal resting cues during this workout, but feel free to take longer breaks if you need to. So grab your weight and a mat, and let's get started. Let's begin by lying all the way down on your back on your mat. Once you're here, we're going to keep our feet flat, knees bent, hands light behind the head, looking up at the ceiling, shoulders and elbows back in your peripheral vision. We're going to start with basic crunches and keep it a continuous flow, at least for the first part of this workout. Okay, when you're ready, abs are tight, inhale, and let's do it. Exhale, crunch up and down. Exhale, lift up and lower, lift and down. You've got it. You don't want to completely see your elbows, so there's no pulling on the neck or the head. Keep them back and just lift high enough so your shoulder blades are just off that mat. 2 more. All right, let's do it. Pulse it up, double time. Squeeze and pulse. 7, 6, 5. Here's 4, 3. Singles, upper body lifts, crunch up and down. Now keep crunching. Carefully lift both feet so they're just hovering off the ground. Add a reverse curl roll. Curl it in and out. And just like before, making sure there's no lower back arch. If there is, pull the belly button of spine a little bit tighter. Lift and down. Nice job. 4 more just like this. Exhale, 4, 3. There's 2. Singles, upper body only. Lift this up. Now take those legs 90 degrees. Left leg stays up 90. Other leg crosses over. Twist to the knee. Left shoulder, right knee. Elbow staying back. If this is too challenging, go ahead and set the other foot on the ground. 4. In 3. Watch my change. I'm going to slow it down 2 counts. 2 counts hesitation. Center up, rotate, center, and down. Lift up, twist. 2 more just like that. Lift, breathe. Starting to feel the heat in those abs. Now to the same side. Pulse it, double time, squeeze and pulse. 7, 6, 5. Here's 4, 3. Crunch it back in the center. Gently uncross the legs, 90 degrees. Other leg crossover. You ready? Other side. Twist it. Twist and down. Elbow staying back. Remember your option. You can always set this foot down. You have 4 more. Coming up in 4, 3. We're going back to those hesitations. Slow it down. 2 counts. Center up, rotate, center, and down. Shoulder blades off that mat on the twist. 2 more. Breathe up, twist, center, and down. Good. Lift to the same side. Let's pulse it. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3. Center crunch up and down. Unravel the legs. Set both feet down on the floor. 2 more. Hold this one up. Take it up 1 more inch. And bring it down. If you need a quick stretch, full body stretch. And we're going to go ahead and grab that dumbbell that's hopefully right next to you. Okay, working 1 set at a time. For me, I'm going to have my weight in the left hand, left knee bent, and extend my right leg out. From here, arms are going to be extended back. Inhale, exhale, bring it up diagonal towards the shin. And then slowly bring it down, get a good stretch. Exhale, come up and down. We're going to do 10 of those. Okay, ready? Let's go. Exhale, 10. Breathe. 9. Make it a big range of motion. 8. If it's too much with the weight, you definitely don't have to do it. 6. 5. Good work. Breathe. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Carefully set it down. Weights in the other hand. Other leg out. And here we go. Up and down. Diagonal. Lift. 10. 9. All the way. 8. 7. 6. Keep it up. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Bring it down. Take a quick break. Let's go ahead and keep your weight in your hand. Hold it horizontally and then carefully bring both legs up towards the ceiling. Flex the feet and bring those arms up. while engaging the core, we're gonna go ahead and crunch up, reaching up towards the shoelaces, and then nice and slowly bring it down. When you're ready, here we go. Let's press up and down, lift and lower. Exhale, inhale. Now, can you challenge yourself and go a little bit higher with each one? Lift up and down. Yes, reach, lower. Keep breathing. There's 7. Lift, 6. Stay with it. Up an inch higher. No, 4. Yes, 3. Get ready. In 2. After this last one, hold it up. Pulse it, pulse, pulse, reach. Good. 4, 3, singles up and down. 4 of them. 4 and lower. 3. There's 2. And relax. Bring those knees in. Hug it in a little bit. I'm gonna scooch down on my mat so I don't hit my wall in this next move. Okay, we're gonna come right back up. We're gonna lift the head up, option, up, bring one leg down, come up, lower, back up, lift. So go ahead and join me with this one to start. Lift, drop, up, and down. This is going to be your first option. Lift, lower. Second option, I'm gonna inhale both legs and arms. Exhale up. Inhale. Like always, watch that lower back, minimal arch. And down. If this is too challenging, stay with those singles, alternating. 4 more, where you're at. There's 4. And up. Here's 3. Nice and slow. 2 more. Awesome. Down. And up. 1 more. And relax. Bring those knees in. Set the weight down. We're almost done. Okay, finishing off similar to how we started. Feet are flat, hands behind, crunch it up and down right here. Exhale, lift up and lower. Finishing with 8. Coming up in 8, 7, 6, keeping the core engaged. 4 more. Here's 4. There's 3. Now imagine you're on a rope, you're pulling up and down. Here we go, pull on the rope, reach it right, then left. Reach, shoulder blades lifted, a little bit higher every time. Come on, you can do it. Big finisher. 7, 6, 5, here's 4. Reach in the middle, reach and pulse. Pulse, 8, 7. There's 4, 3, 2, all the way up and hold. Up 1 more notch. And release, full body stretch. Whew, you did it. Deep breath, inhale. Exhale out. 1 more time. Inhale and exhale. Bring those knees in. Give yourself a hug. Drop the knees down to one side. Reach the arms opposite. Stretch out those sides. You did fantastic work today. Great job. And go the other way. Center it up, give yourself a big hug, rock it up, seated position. Thank you so much for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you next time. Great job on completing this workout. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also check out my Instagram at Allyfitatl for more daily workouts.